YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV. Shit. Give y'all boys a little nighttime drive right now. I'm currently on my way to Jersey, so I thought I'd pick up the camera and give y'all, give y'all a little video. I just got my intakes installed. These shit sound crazy. Hold on, let me give y'all a little. Woo! Shit sound crazy. So I just thought I'd pick up the camera, give y'all boys a little video. We got a little drive, a little 43-minute drive to Jersey. Not bad, nothing too crazy. Hold on, what's this coming up on us? See if we can get some highway fishing going on here. What's this? Q60? Sheesh. Oh, fuck. Nah, he ain't on none. He ain't on none. Let me stop. Oh, fuck. Damn. That hurt. I ain't gonna lie. That hurt. I don't know if y'all watch my other videos, but I did also lower the car. So yeah, that definitely hurt. Fucking New York roads, man. It is what it is, though. There's people out here lower than me out here getting it done. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. These intakes, bro. Oh my God, I love them. I'm not even giving like full throttle, and these shits is just going. These shits is just going. Oh! Oh yeah? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Monsters come out at nighttime, huh? They on this highway flying, boy. They on this shit flying. Yo, I fucking hope there's no more fucking big ass drops in this road, bro. Cause I don't know. Oh! I don't know, bro. Really not trying to have this fucking road total my fucking car, bro. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful night. Weather's nice and cool. Yo, summer done, y'all. Summer done. It's really starting to feel like winter out here. Nah, I'm dragging it. Yo, why the fuck you going so slow? We on the highway, mud. You gotta go. The speed limit 50. You doing under that? Come on, bro. It get to a point for real. But yeah, back to what I was saying, man. The weather out here getting nice and shit. So you know. It's gonna be a cold winter, man. And that's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna be a cold winter. Yo, y'all. The roads are so fucking bad, bro. But this is the life, though. Highway. Barely any cars on the road. This nigga in this Benz flying behind me, boy. Walked him down. Walked him down. Oh, shit. Motherfucking bump. Walk that Benz down, though. Oh. Walked him down, though. Fourth gear. Walked him down. It ain't nothing, bro. It's just work. I already told y'all that. It's just work. Yeah, man. I ain't even gonna do all that chasing shit, man. Just know it could get like that. Tell him stop whooping like that. Yo, I had a bump fucking camera done shook off my damn head, yo. Nah, I'm fucking rolling, son. But yeah, man. Back to what I was saying, man. Yo, I hope the wind not too bad, though. I hope y'all hearing me good. Let me see. Alright, that should be too bad. I want y'all to hear these intakes too, boy. Shee. Whoa, 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 what's going on? What's going on? Oh. Oh. Why do we brake so hard? What happened there? Alhamdulillah. I made it out without a scratch on me, nigga. Or whatever little Dirk said. Free Dirk, man. Free Dirk for real, man. Oh my God. Sheesh. This bitch sneezing, boy. Damn, boy. What the fuck is going on here? Construction and shit. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, we about 25, 27 minutes away. Yeah, man, little calm POV. Look at y'all. Look outside for y'all boys right there. Know what I'm saying? Little city life. What the fuck is you talking about? Alright, let's roll that back up. The wind is fucking punching. Bro, look at all that traffic on the next side over there. Oh my God, bro. Like, no way. Like, I know you're lying, bro. Look at that shit. Pulled up next to us, manual too. Crazy. Shit, boy, bear shit going on over here, boy. I don't know what's going on, but this truck looked like this one hit this one. Bear confusion over here, boy. Shit. But you see me. Chef getting out that Jimmer Jam, boy.